Hello and welcome to our virtual meeting set. I'm going to run through a package we can offer to help you reach your audience during these difficult times. Our plan is to give you the opportunity to present as you would in a conference situation rather than to a mass of blurry faces on a Zoom or a Google call. Presenting from a studio environment ensures the production values are kept high. From camera lighting through to internet speeds, your presentation will look as good as it would in a face-to-face meeting. Firstly, our presentation one-on-one 3-camera package is designed for direct presentation to a remote audience. This can be from a static lectern or a one-on-one, 2 or even 3 chat situation, or a combination of both. We offer a plain white backdrop which can be left as it is or lit to suit your corporate colours. Furniture included will be a lectern, 2 white swan or bucket chairs and a coffee table. All our furniture and equipment that you come into contact with will be thoroughly sanitised once in position. You have the choice to use fixed microphones if in any way you are unhappy with our technical crew putting a microphone on you. There will be 2 cameras for following the main content. These will be recorded for reference and future transmission post-edit. There will always be a 3rd unmanned camera for our director to cut to whilst presenters are repositioning themselves. This will be particularly useful for any live streamed events. For high-resolution video playback, we can provide a MacBook Pro loaded with Playback Pro software to run these VTs. So let's have a quick look at the technical specifications on screen. On top of the basic packages, you can also opt for bolt-on additions such as a PowerPoint graphics package, a prompt package, a question and answer package. Firstly, the graphics package. We will provide an experienced PowerPoint operator who will load your presentation onto our system and make any edits or changes necessary to suit the format of our transmission. They will then follow you via either a scripted presentation or a cue light. Our vision director will cut between live camera and graphics as necessary. Any short videos can be embedded into the PowerPoint, making for seamless transitions. In presentations recorded for later transmission, the slides can be added during the edit phase if required. Throughout your presentation, your slides will be visible to you via a floor-mounted LCD monitor. We also offer a prompt add-on, which may help in a one-to-one session, as this will negate having to shuffle paper notes whilst seated. Our operator will load and edit as necessary and follow your presentation at your own pace. Your speech will be via either a 65-inch LCD TV on a stand off stage between the cameras, or alternatively via on-camera monitors if presenting direct to camera. The Q&A package allows for your audience to ask direct questions via email. We've kept to this format as it allows you to control the flow of the Q&A session with no background noise or interruptions during your presentation. It also helps with any problem feedback where people in remote locations have their microphones turned up too high, and also stops any local chatter or noise coming across during your message or the dreaded internet dropout. Your delegates will be sent an email address to send their questions to. We will have an operator who will transfer the questions into bite-sized format and send them to either a monitor in front of you or to a screen in the lectern. When you're ready, and only then, will you see the question. Lastly, if you provide us with your design, we can have this displayed on the inbuilt 65-inch LCD monitor throughout your presentation. Whether it's a corporate, sponsor, or just a session ident logo, It will make your presentation that bit more personal. Our virtual meeting packages are all designed to be portable and are able to be brought to your office for best use of your valuable time. However, due to room sizes and in these times of social distancing, we understand that space may be a problem, with people moving into what were once meeting areas and conference rooms to work. Local conference centres and public meeting spaces may not be open for some time yet. If this is a challenge, but you still need a professional-looking setting and a safe environment for your presentation, you may want to consider using our studio here, just outside Andover in Hampshire. We are just an hour away from London, literally 60 miles, and just off the A303, with good road links to the Midlands, the West Country and the South Coast. There is ample free parking on site, and being out in the country, plenty of space to keep your distance. Presenters will have their own entrance and exit, and all crew will be in a separate area. 2 camera operators and a floor manager will be the only other people in the studio. The studio is equipped to the requirements of the standard package and crew, has on-site unisex washroom facilities with refreshments available. Further catering can be arranged via an outside contractor on request. Please see the pricing plan for all costs. Thank you for your time. I hope this short video has been of use to you. Our details will be on screen at the end of this presentation. Our packages are very flexible, so just give us a call, drop us an email, and we'll be more than happy to discuss your individual needs. Take care and stay safe.